primary control of the vehicle's critical functions. 27. T-minus 15 seconds and the fastest pushing water system has been activated. You have a go.
9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, baby, go.
Here it comes.
Climb, baby, climb. Solid rocket booster is going to come off here in just a moment. Looks like it's starting to orbit. Look how it's curving.
Yeah. Solid. See the right tip? That's its shuttle main engine. The real bright spot. That's its engine. Alright, here we go. They just shut off. See how they just shut off and then they'll separate. You can see the Good job. They did what they needed.
Smoke left from the launch pad. Unbelievable.